This is my figured oak tool holder that I just built in a series of short videos. But I wanted to do a bit of a more in-depth video with some explanation to explain how I did it, and then you can go back and watch those short videos to see me do it if you so wish. Basically, what I did is I created a template. I glued it onto a piece of wood, I drilled my holes, and then I cut the wood out and sliced off a chunk in my resaw to make the two tiers. I then connected those with dowels, and we have a pretty nice and simple tool holder that will hold quite a few tools. There is a link to the template in the description below, and I'll put a link to the playlist that shows me building this in a couple short videos in my end cards. While I made this out of pretty nice oak, you could totally make this out of a 2x4 offcut with some dowels. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more, like, comment, subscribe, and share.